Bill Goudy checking in. That is a rump roast on the rotisserie. It's about noon. I'm planning early today. I got a lot of things to do. As you can see, I dug out that fire pit, and you can see that barrel right there. That's all ash. Yeah. It was full. It needs it, and I need to do that at least a couple times a year to dig it out like that. And I thought, you know what? I got this rump roast. Got it at the meat market on sale. And it was $2.99 a pound. I said, that looks like rotisserie. Yeah, you know, I can make leftovers with that. I can make all kinds of stuff with that. But the main meal I'll have tonight will be the I'll just cut off chunks of that meat. Look at this. Will you look at this? I smothered that in the Camp Mate, or the Camp Mix original. Yeah, it's garlic, onion, black pepper, salt, celery salt, and white pepper. All ingredients that I like. Mark, I think it's Mark LeBlanc sent that to me. He doesn't make any videos yet, but he saw this and says, I got to try it. I'm anxious. I really am. Now I tasted it, and it does taste good. And it's got everything in there I like. So, you know it's going to be good. Listen, I got things to do. I'm going to let this rotisserie all afternoon, and this evening we'll cut her open. All I have to do is tend the fire and make sure that it keeps turning. Lucy's over here keeping watch. Yeah, just waiting for me to do something. You're going to hear me say it. Look at the goodness. Oh. That's about halfway done.
Best classic rock.
Oh, I really admire your work.
94.5 The X.
77, featuring ELO, Kansas, and George Harrison. And as always, our request lines will be open for your calls. Join me Saturday night at 6 on 94.5 The X.
It's a little bit after 6. I think it's ready. Oh, that looks so good. Let's dig into that, shall we? It's hot. Thank you, Deep in the Woods 73. He gave me that Mora knife. Let's just cut this right in half. Oh, look. It's bigger than the knife. Oh, look at that. Has a nice crust on the outside, and I can taste that seasoning that Mark sent me. Look at that. Ooh, it's hot. Finger licking good. Oh. And here I have my veggies. I'm going to call this a hot salad. I got broccoli and onion and garlic and all the goodies. I sprinkled some of that seasoning on there too. I'm anxious to give this a try. Oh, look at that. Hey, look at the steam coming out of there. Oh, that's done. Ooh, yeah. I think I'll just eat it right out of there. That is hot. There's mushrooms, peppers out of the garden, onion, broccoli. Look at that carrot. Hot. Want to give this a try? You want to see if that's any good? Is that Lucy Lou approved? Did you like that? Well, I look at that tail wag. I'd say that's Lucy Lou approved. You want some more? I think she wants more. I can hear a barge coming up the river. It's just about sunset. And I'm going to finish eating. And I'm not going to bring you along on that. I want to thank you. Man, is that good. I want to thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it. Bill Goudy out.